teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Kavyan Smeta. I am playing the role of Subhash Chandra Bose today. I am great freedom fighter of India. I was born in Cuttack, Odisha. बिना कीमत चुकाए इस दुनिया में कुछ हासिल नहीं होता. बिना कीमत चुकाए इस दुनिया में